How to fix story controls on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app from your Play Store from your Android. Now open the Facebook Messenger app on your Android. Now you can see at the left top corner there are three lines. Just you have to click on it. Click on this gear mark and you have to scroll this bar and click on settings and privacy. You can see here that at the last there is a story control. Just you have to click on it. Who can see your story? You have to select which people want to see, which people are allowed to see your story. If you want to make it public, then all can view your story. If you want to make it only available for your friends, you have to click on it. And custom means the people which you will select it on Messenger. Thank you so much. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. And you can also see here there is an option of new stories notification dot. You can also turn it on and turn it off of getting new stories. After that, you have to click on the save icon. That setting will be saved for your Facebook Messenger. This is for both Android as well as for iPhone. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.